Join me as I try to set up an Amazon Echo Spot in every room of my house and see how it changes my daily routine. The Amazon Echo Spot is a compact and stylish way to integrate Alexa into your home for convenience and entertainment, fitting perfectly into any room. Having multiple smart devices in your home can be great, but it can also be a challenge to get them all connected and working seamlessly together. Traditional smart devices may not fully meet your needs when it comes to multi-room connectivity, often requiring complicated setup processes or expensive additional equipment. You might find yourself switching between different apps or devices just to control your lights, thermostat, or entertainment systems. This can get frustrating, especially if you're trying to relax or get things done quickly. Multi-room connectivity is essential for a smooth smart home experience, and that's where devices like the Echo Spot come in. The Amazon Echo Spot has some amazing features that make it perfect for use in every room of your house. Its display allows you to watch videos, browse recipes, or check the news, while its camera enables video calling and smart home monitoring. The Echo Spot is also compatible with a wide range of smart home devices, making it easy to control your lights, thermostat, and security systems with just your voice. Whether you're in the kitchen, bedroom, or living room, the Echo Spot can enhance your daily routines and make your life easier. The Echo Spot's display is particularly useful for getting a quick glance at important information, like the time, weather, or your schedule for the day. Its compatibility with various smart home devices means you can control your entire home from one convenient spot. You can use the Echo Spot to play music, set reminders, or even order products from Amazon. With its sleek design and compact size, the Echo Spot fits perfectly into any room, making it a great addition to your smart home setup. Imagine being able to walk into any room of your house and have access to all your favorite music, videos, and smart home devices. With an Echo Spot in every room, you can do just that. You can use them to communicate with family members in other rooms, control your smart devices, or simply enjoy some entertainment. The possibilities are endless, and it's amazing how much of a difference it can make to your daily life. You can ask Alexa to play your favorite song, turn on the lights, or adjust the temperature, all without having to lift a finger. Having an Echo Spot in every room of your house can completely transform your daily routine. You can use them to wake you up in the morning, provide you with news and weather updates, or even help you cook dinner. The seamless communication and control they offer make it easy to manage your smart home devices and stay connected with family members. You can also use them to set reminders, calendar events, or even order groceries online. The Echo Spot is more than just a smart device, it's a personal assistant that can help you every step of the way. The benefits of integrating the Echo Spot throughout your home are numerous. It simplifies and enriches your life by providing a convenient and intuitive way to control your smart devices, access information, and enjoy entertainment. With an Echo Spot in every room, you can experience the full potential of a smart home, where everything works together seamlessly to make your life easier and more enjoyable. In the end, the Amazon Echo Spot is a game changer for anyone looking to upgrade their smart home experience. If you've got a favorite Alexa feature, be sure to let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to check out my next video where I'll be exploring more smart home setups and gadgets.